Hey guys, I'm super excited about this. I've been wanting to show this for a long time, how I pack, and I'm just gonna get right into it. So I usually try to pack light, but you know, my friends know me. I have to pack and repack like 3 times. So I like linen kind of fabric when I travel. It's like light, it's air comfortable. It's like almost like wearing PJs. And I usually try to roll it up like a sushi roll, scrunch it up, fold it up, and voila. I get dresses that are like super soft. Like everything in my suitcase for the most part, whenever I'm going on vacation or something like that, like whenever I'm traveling, like especially to somewhere hot, you want something light and airy. Like I don't want to be stiff and uncomfortable and looking cute. That doesn't work for me. I want to be comfortable, relaxed, and cute. I bought this on one of my trips from Dubai, and I really like this. Once again, it's airy, it's comfortable. The design won me over, and the color. Hey Charles, I know you remember this. I literally just roll all my clothes into little sushi rolls and just line them up like soldiers. Also, at the bottom of my suitcase is usually something called Sunshine. Sunshine was a superstar in Dubai, and then Sunshine made it to Aruba. She was also a superstar in Aruba. Sunshine made it to Cuba. I almost sold Sunshine, but the guy that wanted to buy Sunshine for his daughter could not make up his mind how much he wanted to pay me. He kept haggling until I decided, you know what, dude? You know, you don't want it that bad. Now, nothing major, nothing huge to take with me. I am on a teacher's budget. I am trying to pay my student loan. So what I did was, I went to my favorite store. Say it with me. Daiso. And bought my little niece a pillow. I thought it was super cute. Once again, you guys know how I am. I shop like I'm shopping for myself when I was that age. And this is what I tend to get my niece and my nephew. Of course, this goes in. Her little shoes that I bought her off of Wish. And I wish they fit. Cha-ching. Boom. A little piggy bank that I found her. Look how cute this little piggy bank is. I was just like, oh my god, it has pink ribbon. Oh lord. And it says, happy cat, what makes you so happy? And I thought to myself, what makes me so happy? And it's money. So I'm thinking some Cheetos, because these are not your regular Cheetos. They don't taste like the ones back home. They have like a unique taste to it, lack of a better word. And so I took it upon myself to pick up some from the store today because I wanted her to try it. I saw this at a park and I fell in love with it. Once again, Yana, you bought this for you or you bought this for your niece? I would like to say both, you know? You get to be a kid again once you're around little kids. But you get it for them. So I got this for her. You guys know I cannot leave without makeup. I need my makeup. Even if it's hot, sometimes I just put a little thing on, but I do take it with me. And my lashes. You know, a girl has to fly on a constant basis. I usually just pack my makeup in the corner and around the perimeter of the suitcase because I feel like I can get a lot out that way. So I just go ahead and just tuck it in and just slide it in.